Hello friends, today we're gonna make a volcano. So the things you're gonna need are baking soda, vinegar measured in a cup by a grown-up, a funnel or spout, two food coloring choices of your choice or just one, and a bottle and a tray so that we can stop the overflow. So what we're gonna do is take this funnel. Stay there, funnel. Oh yeah, first baking soda. Just a copy, we have to stay on for 2 layers. Okay. Now I'm gonna take 1 spoon of baking soda. I'm gonna just even it out a little. And now I'm gonna just pour it in. Just get it in. Now we're gonna put just 2 more scoops. This is the last spoon. So friends, as you can see, I've put in 2 tablespoons of soda. Now I'm gonna put in the food coloring after opening it up. This is gonna be the best volcano ever. 1 drop of each. 1, 8. Does it have to go like that? Okay, is that okay? Now I'm gonna do another drop. And now I'm gonna put the second drop of blue color. The second drop is gonna be blue color. Or you can do it in order. Just open up. Finally. There. Okay. Now we've put red and blue. Now it's vinegar time. Dun dun dun. Yeah. Let's pour in the vinegar, guys. Come here, vinegar. Come here. Time to go in the volcano. But why is it not colorful? Seriously? It's not colorful. Oh. Take 2. Hello friends. Our first experiment failed. So this is why it failed. We put gel. So the gel didn't mix. We actually put gel color, and the gel color didn't mix with the baking soda. So what we're going to use is turmeric powder this time. On take 2. So we're going to take this big funnel right now. So big! Hey, aren't you going to fit in giant funnel? Or not? Okay. So we're gonna take our turmeric powder. Oh, and 2 spoons. It smells really bad. Just go in, Mr. Turmeric powder. Don, 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 don. Okay, I'm going to get you in there. Now we're gonna put another spoon. Just let it go. Whew. Now the turmeric powder's done. Now we're going to take the baking soda. Wow, this is heavy for sure. we're gonna, the cap always has to come off. One by one. 4 teaspoons of baking soda. Perfect. Done. Okay. This is the second. 2 more to go. One last. This is the last. Please be good. There. I can still smell the turmeric powder. Now it's time to pour. Oh, now it's time to shake it. Means mix it. Mix. Get mixed turmeric powder and baking soda. Da-da-da-da-dun. Just mix. Yeah, that needs more mixing. The cap. I'm going to use this cap. So that to make it easier, you can use the bottle's cap. Unless you don't have the cap. Oh, wow! Look at this amazing color. Am I making a tornado or something? Not a volcano. This looks like ooh. This looks like the sand. Don't you think they make the sand out of this? Wow. Okay. I think it's time. Take off the cap. Time to pour in the vinegar. Vinegar. The enemy of mine. Enemy. My enemy. Now pour it very slowly. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I can smell it.
Take it out.
Look at it. The volcano doesn't seem like a fail. Or it is a fail. Why is it not doing anything? Now, we're gonna shake it more. It's not seeming to react.
Pour more vinegar.
I'm gonna pour more vinegar, but you should ask a grown-up to get more vinegar for you. As you guys can see, this experiment has not failed yet. We're gonna use this funnel, the giant funnel, and how much baking soda? 2 teaspoons. So 1, so 2. This is gonna be so amazing. I feel so excited. I just have to pour it all in. Oh. I know. Funnel, can you please go to your baby? There. You must baking soda go. And here it's going. There. Now, it's time to pour the vinegar. The evilest enemy of mine. Pour it carefully, slowly. Oof. Too much. It's happening. Uh-oh. Oh no. No. Yeah, I should pour more. Or I'll wait. Yeah, this is why I wanted to pour more. That's fun. Now I'm going to pour more, everybody. Huh? Oh, that's all. Nothing else. Oh, yeah, mix. That's crazy. I'm gonna wipe my hands. Well, that was cool for a second, but now. Hey, stop that! I'm gonna cover it. No? Okay, I'm not. Now I'm gonna wiggle it more. Ooh, it's gonna happen again. It's so exciting. When it stops, I'm gonna do it more.
What happened, Urja?
Well, it just exploded like there was nothing.
Why are you going back?
That's what they said in the book.
Are there some fumes like you are feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling like something's sparking on me. Like, that's why I'm going back. Now, I'm going to shake it again. Excited?
Yeah.
Da-da-da-da-da-da. Nothing.
Try once more.
Okay, so this is how you can do this is how we did our experiment. So, you can shake the bottle to make the fake lava come out. And well, bye friends. I will see you next time. Bye. And please subscribe down below and comment. Bye.